Do you want to play with this? Alright, you can't drop it. Do you know how to work it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, look. See the screen?
Yeah.
You just point it at what you want to record. Hold on to that. And hold on to that. There you go. You're recording. Point it at me. Don't drop it. Go record your room.
If your child is struggling with mental reading, let your child blossom at Sylvan. And now
Say.
free when you enroll by April 20th.
Say yeah.
Individualized
Say yeah.
approach codes exactly the skills your
Say
child
yeah.
needs to succeed.
Say yeah.
Hey, yo. Improve math and reading skills by one.
No. Say yeah.
In only 36 hours of instruction. Call 1-800-324-0360.
Point it at your ball. Show your ball. There's your ball. Now point it at your truck.
That's my dog. My truck.
Anybody watching this is going to get sick.
This truck.
Like this. See, look. If you look in the picture thing.
Yeah.
See, look right here. Right here. On the screen. Then you can see what it's looking at. Pretty neat, huh? See, you hold it up like this. Oh. See? Now you're getting it. Oh, don't do that. Let me see.
Today's internet, the phone company's DSL doesn't have it.